Hey y'all, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm so sorry that I have been gone for so long, but I've been so busy this summer just like working and like figuring stuff out. It's my last year at school, so I'm super excited about that, but also super busy with that. But today I'm back, and I'm back for a while, guys, so we're gonna get this stuff rolling again. And today I'm back with a what's in my bag. I personally really like watching these videos, so I thought, why not do this as my video back? So hopefully you guys enjoy this, and let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so this is my bag, and I really like it for fall. So this is from Aldo. I'll link it down below if they still have it. I believe they do, but honestly, this bag is so cute. I think it's just like very classy. It's real leather, and yeah, it has the greatest pockets ever. So the first thing is this front pocket right here that actually zips up. Guys, this is so convenient, and look how cute this is. Come on. All right, so typically on the go, I just throw my phone in there. It fits perfectly. And yeah, I just throw my phone in there. So I always have my phone in my bag. So let's just go through the middle of it, the chaos, right? Let's just go through it. All right, first things first, I have headphones because your girl be listening to music all the time. That new Mac Miller album, yes. And then I just have my wallet. My wallet's nothing special. I literally just got this at TJ Maxx, and I have anything and everything that would typically be in a wallet, you know, cash, cards, for all those shopping trips, you know, doing my thing. Life of a blogger. And then these are my fave sunglasses. So these are Ray-Bans. Guys, everyone's always telling me, like my parents, they're like, Sarah, why do you have such expensive sunglasses? Honestly, you guys, if you're not the type of person, like my mom is the type of person that will sit on every single pair of sunglasses. She'll lose her sunglasses, so she just has to buy like cheap pairs from TJ Maxx. But I'm the type of person that would rather get a really expensive, nice pair of sunglasses that's gonna protect my eyes. And I know that I'm gonna purposely try not to ruin. So I highly recommend investing some money in some nice sunglasses. I don't know the name of these, but I will also link these down below because I think they're really cute. It's fine. Okay, next is my keys to my car. And then I have, all right, I got this little pouch guy. This is like my emergency, anything I could need. Advil, cause pain. Tide to go, because stains. Oh my gosh, I'm rhyming. Eye drops, because I can't think of a rhyme, but eye drops. I have hand sanitizer, more Advil, Benadryl, because your girl got allergies. And guys, look how cute this little deodorant is. This is from Native Deodorant, and it's like organic. Highly recommend y'all go check this out. I'll put the link down below as well. By the way, I'm not being sponsored to say anything that I'm saying. I'm literally just saying it because, oh, why not? All right, so that's my little like emergency medical. Do you need this? Do you need a Band-Aid? Little pouch guy. That's Juicy Couture throwback. And then I have this little thing, which is like, you're supposed to refill it with gum, but obviously it's empty. I got trash out the wazoo. Receipt. What's this for? Target. Your girl loves Target. I carry a phone charger with me wherever I go because you never know when your phone's gonna die, and I'd rather mine didn't die. And then I have some Post-it notes, some Lucky Finn chapstick. Shout out to Lucky Finn. A Sharpie, and this chapstick. This is my favorite kind of chapstick. You can get this at Ulta. It's Dionis. It's goat milk chapstick. Highly, highly recommend. And I have an eraser, and guys, this is the greatest thing you can have in your purse, swear. If you have long hair, or you're just like a girl and your hair gets knotty so fast, I don't know about your guys's, but mine does. And I have this little mini hairbrush. I think I just got this at Ulta, and it has been a lifesaver, like on vacations when I went to Colorado. Like the wind blowing just makes my hair a disaster, and this has been my best friend. So never going without one in my purse ever again. All right, so that's all that stuff. Now there's like a couple side pockets right here. We're just gonna go through that. I don't have really anything interesting in here, but whatever. All right, so basically in the first side pocket, I literally just have lip stuff galore. So I have two NYX lip liners, and I'm pretty sure they're the same color, and that's Nude Truffle. Yeah, they are. And then I have two of the same NYX. These are my favorite like go-to lip liner lip look. So Nude Truffle liner and NYX lingerie satin ribbon. So those are my go-to. Y'all know my hack now. Those are my go-to lip products. All right, and then this one I recently bought, and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills like matte lip stuff, matte liquid lipstick, and this one's in Ashton, but it's a really pretty color, but it's so much darker on, like it dries darker than what it is or what it looks like, so not really sure if I'm a fan or not. Then I have a highlighter. I don't actually know why I have a highlighter. Then your girl's got a pen because always needing a pen. And then I have these guys. EpiPens, because your girl's allergic to nuts and she don't want to have an allergic reaction, so if she does, she can stab herself in the leg. And basically these are my lifesavers if I have an allergic reaction. So gotta have my EpiPens. If y'all are allergic to anything, then y'all know, but your girl's allergic to so much crap. It's fine, guys, it's fine. Okay, you guys, so that is all that is in my bag. Again, I will link my bag down below if y'all want to go grab it. I highly, highly recommend this bag. Honestly, I'm literally like Mary Poppins. I can fit so much stuff in here, and it's just amazing. So welcome back to my channel. I'll be posting videos more often, maybe some vlogs. Comment down below what you want to see, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.